Hello, welcome once again. Now let's solve this problem together. We have x cubed plus x squared equals 1 divided by 8. Then what will be the value of x? So now let's see solution. So we have x to the power of 3 plus x squared equals 1 divided by 8. Then by multiply through by 8, multiply by 8. So here we have 8x cubed plus 8x squared equals 1. Then from here, we can have this as 8x cubed plus 8x squared minus 1 to be equals 0. But we can have 8 to be in base 2 as 2 to the power of 3, then multiply by x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3, then multiply by x squared minus 1 to be equals 0. So from here they have the same power, and by using law of indices, we can have here to be 2x all to the power of 3 plus, I think we have 2 in, we can factor this out as 2 multiplied by 2x all to the power of 2 minus 1 to be equals 0. The moment when you open the bracket, or when you open this power, multiply by this, you have this one back. Now, we have 2x and 2x in common. We can say let m to be equals 2x. And so this implies that we have here to be m to the power of 3 from here plus 2m squared minus 1 to be equals 0. So from here we have m to the power of 3 plus m squared plus m squared minus 1 to give you 0. Because m squared plus m squared will give you 2m squared. So guys, from here, let us now do something reasonable. We can take this and this together as m to the power of 3 plus m squared as this plus m to the power of 2 minus 1 together as this equals 0. Now we have m in common here. M cubed divided by this, we have it to be m squared. M squared divided by this, we have it to be m plus 1 plus. So when we factor m squared out, here will be m plus 1. Now we have this one to be m squared minus 1 squared to be equals 0. So for this, we have m squared into m plus 1 plus. By using difference of 2 squared, we can have this as m plus 1, then multiply by m minus 1. We have everything to be equal 0. This is here, this is here. We can factor it out as m plus 1, then multiply by the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be m squared. Then the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be plus m minus 1 equals 0. So from here, we have this as m plus 1 equals 0, or we have m squared plus m minus 1 to be equal 0. For this expression to be equal 0, either of this must be equal 0. So from here you have m to be equals minus 1, but then we have our m to be equals to x, which implies that we have 2x to be equals minus 1. By dividing through by 2, this will take away this. We have our x to be equals minus 1 divided by 2. So the first value of x equals minus 1 divided by 2, and to get the other values, we have here to be m squared plus m minus 1 equals 0. We have our a to be equals 1, then our b equals 1, our c equals minus 1. Now, by using quadratic formula, we have m to be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from here you have our m to be equals, our b equals 1, we have here to be minus 1, positive or negative, root of minus 1 square will be 1, minus 4 multiplied by a, 1, multiplied by c, minus 1, divided by 2, multiplied by 1. So therefore we have our m to be equals minus 1, positive or negative, square root of minus times minus will be plus 1, then we have here to be 4, all divided by 2. So from here we have our m to be equals minus 1, positive or negative, square root of 1 plus 4, all divided by 2. So we have our m to be equals minus 1, positive or negative, square root of 5 divided by 2. But our m equals to s, so this implies we have 2s equals minus 1, positive or negative, square root of 5 divided by 2. Then by multiply this one by 2, 1 over 2. So from here, this we cancel this. We have s to be equals minus 1, positive or negative, square root of 5 divided by 2 times 2 will be 4. So therefore we have s1 equals minus 1, positive, take positive first, root 5 divided by 4, then s2 from here, minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 4, then s3 to be equals minus 1 divided by 2. Now to check, we have s to the power of 3 plus s to the power of 2 equals 1 divided by 8. When s equals this, we have minus 1 over 2 all to the power of 3 plus minus 1 over 2 all to the power of 2. Then is it going to give us 1 divided by 8. This will give us minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. This will give us 8. Likewise, this will give us 1. 2 to the power of 2, this one will give us 4. Then is it going to give us 1 divided by 8. From here, we can find the LCM as 8. We have here to be minus 1. 2 here, 4 here, 1. 4 in this, we have it to be plus 2. Then is it going to give us 1 divided by 8. Minus 1 plus 2 will give us 1 divided by 8 equals 1 divided by 8. So this is true for the value of s equals minus 1 over 2. Bye bye.